when he was majority leader. That was when the original proposals contained in this were crafted. There has been extensive stakeholder meetings and analysis of the proposals, which has led to a virtual rewriting of the bill. Now, what you are talking about thresholds, is something that I have also heard, because they are saying that we are reducing the threshold for entry into the country. It used to be $1 million, and we are reducing it to $500,000 cash. And the reason why the authority or the proposed authority is the sponsor is suggesting that we should change it to $500,000 cash is that the previous legislation said $1 million in goods or in cash. So all that people did was to bring in goods and then claim that the value of the goods constitute 1 million. So the country was not benefiting in terms of actual money being injected into the economy by foreign investors. And so we decided to be more specific, that it is cash we are looking for. We're not asking you to bring us goods. We're asking you to bring cash. So now the threshold has been changed so that it is 500,000 United States dollars cash. That is actually more stringent than the previous arrangement, which used to be 1 million goods or cash. These discussions have been had severally. As for the issue of foreign invasion of our economy, it has been a long-standing issue. But it is not because of this bill that